Dumelang Sanbonani Absheni Luchani here's what happened on Mubango 2 March 2021. Molalo had nightmares and was making noise. Teboho had to wake him up. When she asked him what was he dreaming about, he said he doesn't know. It's not important, she must just go back to sleep. Teboho said she can't. He's been behaving like this for quite some time, and what's going on? Molalo said she's being dramatic and he's overthinking a lot lately. Imani told James that she's frustrated because of Vuyo. She doesn't know if she will ever get proof that he killed Sichaba, and he's been playing this all along. James said she must stay away from Vuyo. Imani said she feels helpless and Vuyo can do whatever he wants and she can't protect herself, and she's even thinking of taking self-defense class. James said that will take long and gave her a taser to protect herself. Vuyo was busy telling Mahangwani and Rendani that Imani broke into her house, and Rendani couldn't believe that Imani broke into his house and said she's got some nerve to harass Vuyo again. Mahangwani asked if he called the police. Vuyo said Imani has a child and he can't just send her to jail. Mahangwani said he has a good heart and thanked him for being thoughtful. Shame if only they knew about the devil. Rendani asked her mom about Gugu's cake. She said it's almost ready, she will deliver it to James's house. Mulalo was yawning and asked his wife to make him coffee. Teboho said he's been drinking coffee too much, she's not going to make one. She then asked him to consult a doctor because he's not well, and told him that there is nothing that he can do if he's really tired. Boma Cindy had the conversation of Teboho saying that Mulalo needs to see a doctor, and she said yes, he really needs to see a doctor. Teboho said what she's on about. Masindi said she must take him to the doctor before he goes crazy. Teboho said he's not crazy and it's none of her business. Boma Cindy said she wasn't raised well and she doesn't have respect for elders. Teboho said respect is earned and she doesn't deserve her respect. Boma Cindy said the secret is out, there's something wrong with her husband. She has to take him to the doctor. There was a baby shower at James's house and the decor was amazing. Gugu also looked so beautiful. The baby shower was only attended by Marang, Rendani and Imani. Gugu decided to go to the bathroom. Marang got a chance to provoke Imani and said she can see she's the madam now. Imani wasn't having it and told her that it's Gugu's baby shower, not about her. Rendani said she must just stop harassing poor Vuyo. Why would she break at Vuyo's place? Imani said she went there just to look for proof that he's stalking him and also he's the one who killed Sichaba. Marang said she thinks everyone wants her. Imani got upset and said she mustn't romanticize this. Vuyo went to jail because of what he did. Rendani said he must just leave the guy. Ubo Kizara was telling the chief about the problems of Tati. Mulalo was so sleepy and asked Pangani to get him energy drinks. Kizara said it's a short meeting, it doesn't need an energy drink. He said Ndemezo must get in so that they can have a meeting. Imani bought a gift that is exactly like Marang. Marang said Imani copies everything because she wants everything that she has. That's why he stole her man and she couldn't wait to open her legs to James. Imani said she's tired of him and it's not her fault that she's dating James. She failed to respect James and she almost shot him. He then came to her for peace. Gugu said it's enough, it's her baby shower, she just wants to have fun. She doesn't want to hear about James anymore. Mulalo was in a meeting and he slept during the meeting. Makati had to wake him up. Bangali brought him energy but he didn't even concentrate during that meeting and he was just too tired. Shame. Imani apologized to Gugu for ruining her baby shower. Gugu said it's fine. Marang told Rendani that she wants to leave, she's tired of Imani. Vuyo brought the deliveries for the baby shower. Imani lost her mind and the drama started. She even slapped him. Rendani said she must stop being dramatic. Marang said Vuyo can have some food and just stay, and told Imani that she's such a ratchet, and Vuyo was so happy. And then Vuyo got a chance when Imani was alone in the kitchen and he tried to rape Imani. Imani fought and screamed. Rendani, Marang and Gugu came to help Imani and hit Vuyo with a vase and he fell down. Kizara and Makati felt so humiliated by Mulalo. Mulalo said he hasn't slept for weeks. Teboho defended her husband. Kizara said he is mad because Mulalo was sleeping during the meeting. Teboho said maybe the meeting was boring and laughed at them. She brought Mulalo sleeping pills so that he can have enough sleep. The Vuyo was lying down and it looked like he's dead. Imani checked his pulse and he was not responding. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more episodes on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye, good people.